What you're seeing now is a real picture of the Earth. This picture is taken photographed from a space station. This is also the birthplace of life. When we look down from space, he hangs like a giant sapphire. Today, we come to truly understand the vastness and the smallness of the Earth. The Earth's surface is composed of 70.8% and 29.2% of the land. Countless species live here. It is also the home where human beings. The Earth is so huge in our eyes. But if you look at the entire macroscopic, the Earth is like a grain of sand. February 14th, 1990. Voyager 1 at this time just entered the first wave zone. The ground crew gave the order, let it be used. The remaining battery power looks back at the Earth for the last. This is what's called the pale blue dot. In this photo, the Earth occupies only 0.1. This also made humans aware of how small is the Earth on a cosmic scale, although he is just a little blue dot here. But it carries all our hopes. Even if the footprints of human beings can travel, this is where we all end up in the universe. And the next thing we're going to talk about is our sun. If the Oort cloud is used as the boundary, the radius of the solar system is a terrifying light even with the fastest detectors available. Parker Solar Probe, 196 kilometers per second. It would also take about 1,530. This is for current humans. It was mission impossible, although the solar system is already so large. But from a galactic to observe the solar system, it is equivalent to from the perspective of the Earth. To see a grain of sand, the Milky Way was born 13.6 billion, a terrifying 100,000 light years in diameter. It contains about 300 billion heads. The solar system is located on the wall of its constellation. The distance from the Silver Heart is about 26,000 and it's growing at a rate of 220 kilometers around the Silver Galactic Center rotation. Its orbital period is about 250 million years from the birth of the solar system, but only 18 and a half turns. And beyond the Milky Way, there is the local group of galaxies. This is a collection of more than 50 galaxies. A vast group of galaxies. It's a terrifying 10 million light years across. Each of these galaxies is a separate existence. Each has its own set of stars and nebulae, even life stars, including that 4 billion years later, about to crash into our Andromeda galaxy. I didn't expect it here. You are not only worried about the fate of humanity in 4 billion years, and the local group is just the Sagittarius supercluster, a small part of it. This epic enlightenment is 110 million light years in diameter, contains about 2,000 galaxies. Interactions between galaxies. Together, they form the laws of the universe. Of course, even the Virgo supercluster, just another pang, a small region of a large celestial body. This is the Laniakea supercluster. It contains about 100,000 galaxies, 520 million light years in diameter. On this vast scale, hundreds of galaxy clusters, they form the largest structure and fibrous structure when humans first observed it. To truly understand the grandeur and vastness, this is made up of billions of galaxy form clusters. A vast and complex network. The diameter of the observable universe has reached a terrifying 93 billion light years. Observable means humans can pass electromagnetic waves and attract waves to detect parts of the universe. Beyond this universe, it's expanding faster than the speed of light. We may never see the light there, but we really want to know everything there. Are there different laws of physics, different cosmic structures, different life forms? Or maybe everything in the world is a cycle after all. All things are fate, as the Buddhists believe. When cause and effect, the universe will cease to exist.